So today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to an incredible AI tool that can supercharge your content creation game. Whether you're looking to write blog posts, Facebook ads, product descriptions, or even generate stunning AI images, this tool has you covered. The tool we're talking about is Jasper AI. It harnesses cutting-edge artificial intelligence and machine learning to make your content creation process not just faster, but also more effective and engaging. So let's dive into it and explore how Jasper AI can elevate your writing and design projects. Jasper AI offers a wide range of features that make it stand out in the crowded field of AI writing tools. Now let's start by creating a blog post. Click on Create Content and select Blog Post. Jasper will ask for your topic, target audience, and keywords. For example, let's choose the topic, the importance of mindful eating. After specifying our audience as health enthusiasts, you can generate an outline. Jasper provides a detailed structure with sections like mind-body connection, psychological benefits, and practical tips. This outline acts as a solid foundation, saving you time and ensuring your content is well organized. Next, let's look at how Jasper can help with social media content. It has various templates specifically designed for creating engaging posts and ads. For example, to create a Facebook ad, simply enter your topic, key message, and call to action. Jasper will generate a captivating post that includes attention-grabbing text and emojis to enhance engagement. You can also generate images to go along with your ads, ensuring they stand out in users' feeds. Now let's explore creating product descriptions. Suppose we're selling deluxe coffee beans. You would enter the product name, key features, target audience, and unique selling points. Jasper will craft a compelling description that highlights the product's benefits, making it perfect for your online store. A well-written product description can significantly influence customer purchasing decisions, so this feature is a game changer for e-commerce businesses. Let's dive deeper into creating images. Using Jasper Art, you can specify styles, mediums, and keywords for your image. For instance, if I want to create a Renaissance-style portrait, I can describe it as a young woman in Renaissance painting style with soft lighting, and Jasper will produce a high-quality image that matches my description. This advanced feature allows for a greater degree of creativity and customization, letting you bring your artistic vision to life. Jasper can produce various types of content, including long-form articles, short-form marketing copy, product descriptions, and email newsletters. Users can input prompts or outlines, and Jasper generates coherent, contextually relevant text. The platform provides numerous templates designed for specific tasks, such as blog posts, social media posts, ad copy, and SEO content. These templates help users streamline their writing process and maintain consistency. Jasper integrates with tools like Surfer SEO, enabling users to optimize their content for search engines. This feature helps in identifying relevant keywords, improving readability, and enhancing overall content quality. Jasper supports team collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on projects simultaneously. This is particularly useful for marketing teams and content agencies. Content in multiple languages, making it suitable for international businesses and diverse audiences. The AI learns from user interactions and feedback, which allows it to improve its writing style and accuracy over time. How to use Jasper AI. Using Jasper AI effectively involves understanding its interface and features. Here's a detailed guide on how to get started. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the Jasper dashboard. This is where you can access your projects, templates, and content history. The interface is user-friendly with clear navigation options. Click on the Create New Document button. Choose from the variety of templates available, depending on your content type, e.g., blog post, ad copy, social media. Start by entering a title or topic for your content. Include a brief description or keywords that Jasper should consider while generating content. You can specify the tone of voice you want, such as professional, casual, or friendly, to better match your brand's identity. For boss mode users, you can issue commands like write a paragraph about or list the benefits of to guide Jasper in generating specific content. Click the Generate button and Jasper will produce text based on your inputs. Review the generated content and make adjustments as needed. You can edit the text directly within the document. Jasper allows for easy editing and revisions. If you're not satisfied with the output, you can regenerate specific sections or request variations. 6. Collaboration and sharing. Use the collaboration features to invite colleagues to your project. Once your content is finalized, you can easily copy it to your clipboard or export it in various formats for distribution. Best practices for using Jasper AI. The more specific your instructions, the better the output. Provide context and detail in your prompts. Don't hesitate to regenerate content if it doesn't meet your expectations. Use feedback to improve results. While Jasper is powerful, human oversight is crucial. Always review and edit the final output to ensure it aligns with your voice and brand. Pricing and packages. Jasper now offers 3 pricing plans: Creator Plan, Pro Plan, and Business Plan. Let's go through each one in detail. The Creator Plan is just $39 a month, ideal for individuals, while the Pro Plan, designed for teams, starts at $59 per month, both offering a 20% savings compared to monthly billing. Need something more? The Business Plan provides custom pricing with unlimited features, advanced analytics, and enterprise-grade security. Switch to Jasper AI's yearly plans today and unlock smarter, faster, and more affordable content creation. And that's a wrap. Jasper AI is a fantastic tool if you want to streamline your content creation process, whether it's writing or designing. From crafting blog posts to creating eye-catching graphics, Jasper has you covered every step of the way. Jasper AI offers a free trial, allowing you to explore its features and capabilities before committing to a paid plan. You can experience the power of AI writing with no cost for the first 7 days, giving you a risk-free opportunity to see how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. See you in the next video.